Dear children, today in this session we will continue with exercise 14A in that 22nd sum. Find the equation of the line passing through the origin, that line is passing through the origin, and also it is passing through the point of intersection of the two lines. See, one point they are given, origin, that is 0, 0. But second point, in order to find out second point, they are told it is the point of intersection of these lines. It is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. That means we have to solve these two lines first, these two equations first. Then we get x value and y value, simultaneous linear equations. That is last year we learned. So solve for x and y first to get the another point. Solving. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. So equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10x, 2 7s are 14y is equal to 6. 5 2s are 10x, 15y is equal to 35. Plus, subtract, here plus, here no, minus. So x cancels, this is 29y is equal to 40, subtract 35 minus 6. That is 29. That is minus. Therefore, y is equal to minus 29 by 29. So that is equal to 1. So this implies y is equal to minus 1. Correct? Y is equal to minus 1. Now substitute y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. 5x plus 7 into minus 1 is equal to 3. 5x minus 7 is equal to 3. This implies 5x is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This implies x is equal to 10 by 5, 5 1s, 5 2, that is equal to, this implies x is equal to 2. So therefore, another point is equal to a 2 comma minus 1. So therefore, now we got the 2 points. Now we can find out the equation of the line using 2-point form. So find the equation of the line passing through the origin. So therefore, equation of the line passing through origin and a 2 minus 1 is given by okay, first you note down these points, okay? Okay, is given by y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, we can take. So y minus y1, that is 0 by x minus x1 also 0 is equal to y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 0 by x2 is 2 minus x1 is 0, that is minus 1 by 2. So that is y by x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So cross multiplication 2y is equal to minus x. This implies 2y plus x is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Correct? That is the equation. So note down that equation. Question number 23. In what ratio does the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0 divide the join of A and B? That means this line is intersecting with the line AB at some point P. Let us think that let P divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. That is the previous chapter sum, isn't it? Let P divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. So by section formula, we have P of xy is equal to mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n, my2 plus my1 by m plus n. So this is the section formula, isn't it? This is the section formula. Okay? Next, substitute the values. This is x1, y1 I will take. This is x2, y2 I will take. So P of x comma y is equal to m means k into x2 means minus 3 plus n is 1, x1 is 2 by k plus 1. M means k, y2 means 6 plus n is 1, y1 means 1 by k plus 1. Correct? So that is P of x comma y is equal to minus 3k plus 2 by k plus 1, 6k plus 1 by k plus 1. Now we got the equation, isn't it? So now what we have to do, this is the value of x coordinate. That means P is lying in the equation. Which equation? X minus 5y plus 15. Correct? Therefore, what you have to do is now, you have to substitute the value of k and value of x and the value of y in the. So the P lies in the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore what you have to do now? We got the x coordinates of P, y coordinates of P. Substitute this in. So this implies x means minus 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 minus 5 into 6k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 15 is equal to 0. Now minus 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 minus 5 6 30 k plus 5 by k plus 1. Correct? Is it plus 15 is equal to 0. So what is the LCM? K plus 1 is the LCM. So first you note on this parts. So now we will continue with this. Minus 3k minus 30 plus 15. So minus 30 plus 15 is minus 15. Minus 15 minus 3 is minus 15 minus 3 is minus 18k. Correct? Next, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 minus 5 is 12. 17 minus 5 is 12 is equal to 0. Correct? Is equal to 0. Or minus 18k is equal to minus 12. K is equal to minus 12 by 18. So 3 4s, 3 6, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 by 3. This implies k is to 1, 2 by 3 is to 1, that is equal to 2 is to 3. So this is the ratio, correct? So after finding the ratio, what you have to do? So we have to, after finding the ratio, they are asking us to find out the coordinates of P, point of intersection. Therefore, we can take P of x comma y is equal to, so you know the k value. So in that we have to substitute now. So we got the equations as minus 3k plus 2 by k plus 1, 6k plus 1 by k plus 1. Substitute in this. So that is equal to minus 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 2 by 3 plus 1. Next 6 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1. 3 3 cancels. Here also 3 ones, 3 2s. What remains? Here minus 2 plus 2 0. Good. Minus 2 plus 2 0 by 3 is the LCM. So what remains here? 2 plus 3. Here 3 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 3 is the LCM. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into 0. So what happens? It is 0 only. Next, here 5 into 3 by 5. So 5 cancels. So what remains? 0 comma 3. So that is the intersection point. That is the coordinates of P x y is 0 comma 3. So that is the answer. So note down this. Note down this sum. See, if you observe the 24th question, find the equation of the medians of triangle ABC whose vertices are A12, B21 and C04. So in order to find out the equations for the medians, so what you have to find out? You have to find out the coordinate points of D, E and F. How we can find out? Using the midpoint formula. Using the midpoint formula, we can find out D, E and F. You will get the coordinates of 3 midpoints. Correct? Then we can find out the equation using 2-point form. You can use the 2-point form and find the equation. Then find the centroid. Centroid means what? G of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is the coordinates of A, B, C we have to take, and we can find out the centroid of a triangle ABC. Correct? So therefore I am giving this sum as homework sum. Okay? Now I will come to the next question. That is question number 25. Question number 25. 3 vertices of a parallelogram ABCD is given. 3 vertices of a parallelogram ABCD is given. ABCD. So what are the coordinates of ABCD? A 3, 6, B 5, 10 and C 3, 2. And they are asking us to find out what is the coordinates of xy, that is D coordinates. Join AC and BD. This is O. Length of diagonal BD also you have to find out. And equation of the side AB also you have to find out. Okay, we will find out all those things. But first you have to find out O of XY. So in parallelogram, diagonal bisects each other. So therefore, O is the midpoint of AC. In parallelogram, ABCD, O is midpoint of AC. Therefore, O of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to, what is x1 here? 3 plus x2 is 3 by 2. Next y1 is 6 plus 2 by 2. That is 6 by 2, 8 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 ones, 2 fours. That is 3 comma 4 is the coordinates of O. If coordinates is given, we can find out. O is midpoint of BD. So therefore, O of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to O, you know, 3 comma 4 is equal to x1 is what here? 5 plus x2 means we don't know, x by 2. y1 means 10 plus y2 we don't know, by 2. That is x coordinates with x coordinates we have to equify, y with y coordinates. So what happens? This implies 3 is equal to 5 plus x by 2. So that is nothing but 5 plus x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So x coordinates is 1. Similarly, you find out y coordinates. So y coordinates is what? 4 is equal to, so this implies 4 is equal to 10 plus y by 2. That is cross multiplication. 10 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. So what are the coordinates of D? Now the coordinates of D are 1 minus 2. Understood? That is the coordinates of D. Next question, what they are asking is that length of diagonal BD. How to find out the length of the diagonal BD? You know already. How to find out length of diagonal BD using distance formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is homework I am giving for you. Third one, equation of the side AB of the parallelogram ABCD. Equation of the side AB, 2-point form. Or you find slope and then find using point slope form. Any method you can apply and find the equation of AB line. Here we have to find out the distance of BD or length of the BD. Here we have to find out the equation of BD. So remaining 2 questions I am giving as homework. Okay? So note down this sum. If you observe question number 26, there also in the given figure, they are given the figure there, ABC is a triangle and BC is parallel to y-axis. AB and AC are intersecting the y-axis at P and Q respectively. Write the coordinates of A. What is the coordinates of A? There only in the figure we can say 4, 0. Find the length of AB and AC using distance formula you find out. Find the ratio in which Q divides AC. So Q is dividing AC. What is the ratio? That means section formula you have to use. Find the equation of the line AC. Equation means you can use any form, 2-point form or point slope form. So any form you can use. So this question 26th also I am giving as a homework. So in this chapter I told already the remaining part of the chapter, that is condition for parallelism and perpendicularity, is not there for the examination. Okay. Only the first part, that is A, 14A exercise only we have to go through for the examination. Understood, children? So remaining part is not there. That means by this I conclude this chapter. So this chapter is completed. Okay. In the next session I am starting with the algebra, quadratic equations. Okay. In the next session I will start with the algebra, quadratic equations. Okay, children? Thank you.